Hi all, it's me, Plantine Charlene, and I'm here to show an unboxing of my plants from Steve's Leaves. This is the first time I've ever ordered from them, and I am excited to see what's inside. So here's the beautiful box, bent up and all. That's not because of Steve's Leaves. I'm blaming that on the carrier. United States Postal Service. Sorry, shouted y'all out. So, got my handy tool. Well, the hubby's handy tool. It's not really a tool. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Scissors. Shears. Let me get that right. Shears. And a box cutter. Alright, so I'm going to slice this open and I'll be back. Okay, so, oops, got the box open, and I am just going to show how, make sure that invoices is showing my address, show what it looks like just from opening the box. That's so exciting. Don't y'all just love when we show you opening the box and what it looks like inside? So exciting. And they're packed in here nicely. Doesn't look like there was a lot of movement. I'm assuming I have it standing up right. Woo! My bad. Alright, that's much better on the lighting. But Cebu Blue, I'm not gonna get that right, is really looking good. And like I said, for this one, it looks a little raggedy, but not not because of packaging. It's just, I know it's dry. So once I water it and it acclimates to this home of mine, hopefully all of these buds that I see, because I see at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing less than 5. I know there's more than 5, but this plant is really pretty. If I do remember, I'll put a picture in to show how nice it looks once the flowers come, because this one is pretty much probably spent and it's going to fall off or die off soon, because the red is much brighter or stronger than this. So it's not really giving, it's not really showing how nice it can really look. But it's really pretty, and I'm looking forward to taking care of this plant the right way so that I can, here we go with the soil, so that I can grow that nice and big and show off. Now my Cebu Blue, this is the only leaf that's a little questionable, but who cares? It's one leaf. This looks really good. I'm going to show you the pots that they're going to be in. I hope, if I have any. Oh Lord, I don't know if I have any, but I'm going shopping for pots tomorrow anyway. Gonna go get a bunch of white pots. So I'm a happy camper. Thank you, Steve's Leaves, for my beautiful plants. You guys were the only ones that had a Cebu Blue available at the time, and I've been looking for it for some months now, and it was always sold out, and you were the only ones that had it. Decent price. I think, how much did I pay for this? It's not on the invoice, but if I remember to look, I have to find a better app again, because this app is not working right and I'm not able to type stuff up on my videos the way I used to. So anyway, thank you for watching. Cebu and I say farewell, and so do Acalypha pendula. I don't know. I told y'all I'm not good at that. So, thank you for watching. Give me a comment, a like, subscribe. No pressure, people. No pressure whatsoever. Enjoy your day. Until the next video. Bye. Wrote them letting them know that it was my first time ordering from them and that I was looking forward to receiving my plants, and they wrote back telling me, awesome, thanks Charlene, enjoy. Kim at stevesleaves.com. That's so nice. Oh, thank you, Kim. And I'm just remembering that my Cebu Blue is here because that was or is a wish list plant.